How you doing, friends? Don't mind the noise. I'm currently working downtown. I just want to say a quick couple words for a friend of mine named Mark Rogala. So, I'm a career musician, and I've been doing it for years and years, decades now at this point. And I've been through a series of injuries, etc. And I got myself in trouble with addiction. And I got on pills and the drinking and drugs, and then eventually led to fentanyl addiction, and it got pretty bad. And Mark had seen my band a number of times, so he'd seen me when I was healthy, and then I met him casually after shows and stuff, and then after one particular show he came up and he was saying hello, introducing me to some friends of his, and he could just tell I wasn't doing well. And I had the flop sweats and everything else, and that's normal when you're performing and you're under stage lights, but this was the sickness, and he could see it. And then privately he just said, hey man, I'm gonna give you my number, and if you need help, you need to talk, I'm around. So at this point, I was doing pretty bad to where I felt like I had no way out. And I remember saying to myself, I don't think this drug's ever going to leave my life. I think when it leaves, I'm leaving with it. So I managed to contact Mark the following day. And then that started a process of him working me through this and staying on me. And a lot of people can assume this, like, as a lead singer, I got an ego, and I always think I can outwork or outrun something. If I work harder, I'll be okay. I don't need confidence from anywhere else but myself. I can do this. Not the case, especially not in this one. And certain guys, especially tough guy types, they think that they can just fight through, and it doesn't work that fucking way. It doesn't. So Mark stayed on me, and with his help and only his help, I was able to get clean. And he could pick up on it, just subtle nuances right away, more than anyone. And there's a thing about Mark that's different than most people. He doesn't come off as like an expert or professor type. He's a relatable human being that actually gives a shit, and that's what got through to me. And no one could get through to me. No one. And I went to therapists and drug counselors. I did all that stuff over the years, and the only one that could get through to me was Mark. And that's why I'm still in contact with him today, and we're still friends. And I've seen him do it with many people, and the dude's a miracle worker, and just purely because he's authentic. And so I just wanted to give a little testimonial and say thanks, Mark, for your help. And anyone that needs help, Mark's the guy. He's the guy that can get the toughest case through. And I was one of them, especially because I was good at hiding it, but he was the one guy that could see it. And people pick up on it sometimes, but they never know quite what it is. Are you sick? Are you doing okay? Or you hurt your back? Yeah. Mark knew right away, like that. He knew right away. So with his help, I managed to get through, and then learning, like the part afterwards, which is understanding what it takes, like constant practice to stay on track and not slip. And I can say in all confidence and honesty, that's nothing I ever want to go back to in my life ever again. It's evil and it's bad, and none of us are meant to live like that. So cheers to you, Mark. Thank you so much for all your help.